Hello 8th class children. Welcome to online classes of GK from RPS group of schools. Children, since late 17th, volcano have caused more than 250,000 deaths. So, let's find about the worst volcanic eruptions in the history of mankind. First, we have the largest volcanic eruption at Mount Tambora occurred in 1815 on Sumbawa Island, now part of Indonesia. The explosive eruption and the subsequent tsunamis killed about 10,000 people. Deposition of thick ash resulted in agricultural losses as a rise in the death toll to 82,000 as a result of famines and diseases. Next is the second largest eruption occurred in 1883 at Krakatoa in Indonesia. Krakatoa is a volcano on a small uninhabited island between Java and Sumatra. As a consequence of this outburst, the 23 square kilometer area of the island disappeared. The explosion pushed the ash to the height of 80 km. The force of this outburst was equivalent to a 10,000 atomic bombs. Moving to next. In 1902, on the island of Martinique in the Caribbean Sea, Mount Pelée violently erupted. Within minutes, some 29,000 inhabitants lost their lives due to smoke and fire. Next we have, in 1985, a relatively small eruption of Mount Ruiz in the Andes mountain of Colombia killed around 25,000 people. At an elevation of 5,400 meters, this volcano is tall enough to have a glacier ice cap. The magma caused the melting of ice and snow caps, which mixed with the mud, ash and water, and raced down the volcano's eastern slope, bringing the town of Amiro, built in the lower plain. That's all about volcanoes, children. Now you have to answer the following questions. Name the world's largest volcano located on the island of Hawaii. It means long mountain in Hawaiian. Answer is Mauna Loa. Next is, name the tallest active volcano in Italy, Europe. It has recorded eruptions of millennia, including a blast in 1669 causing death of 20,000 people. Answer is Mount Etna. Next question. Name the ancient volcano in Indonesia which was exploded around 71,000 years ago, causing the largest volcanic eruption in the history of mankind. Its eruption led to a worldwide decline in temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius and sent the planet into a severe ice age. Answer is Mount Toba. Next is, in 1912, the eruption of Navarpata and Mount Katmai in Alaska led to the creation of a valley. Name the valley. Name of the valley is Valley of 10,000 Smokes. Moving to our next question. The powerful eruption of this volcano in 1982 in Mexico destroyed most of the villages within 8 km and left behind a crater which is now an acidic lake. Answer is El Quinchon. El Quinchon. Next question. Name the volcano which is known as the Lighthouse of the Pacific for its frequent glowing activity. Its series of eruptions started in 1770. Answer is Izalco. Izalco. Next question. Name the volcano which is considered the highest and the most sacred point in Bali, Indonesia. It is traditionally considered a throne of gods and the center of the world. Answer is Mount Agung. Mount Agung. Next question. Name the only active volcano in India which is located in the Andaman Sea. Answer is Barren Land. Barren Land. That's all about volcanoes, children. Thank you.